Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CAT S40 and let me share with you how to change the SIM pin on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and now let's wait. And here we have to scroll down to find the security. Now let's scroll down again to the set up SIM card lock option. Let's enter, and as you can see here we've got two different SIM cards, so obviously it depends which one you've got inserted. Let's pick it and simply tap on change SIM pin. Right now we have to enter our current pin, so let me do it. Tap on OK, and right now we can set new one. So let me enter this one, let's tap on OK, and as you can see we have to re-enter it in order to confirm. Let's tap on OK, and we've got the information that the SIM pin has been changed successfully, so it means that from now on, if you will restart your device, it will require the new pin. So actually this is it. This is how to change SIM pin in your CAT S40. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.